4190 Victory virtual tour. This is an awesome house, nice neighborhood. It's got a fenced-in backyard. You got aluminum siding. And then you have a nice big back patio here. There's a fire pit over there, so that's all fenced in. It's fenced here. You have a nice sidewalk through here. So let's go inside. It's a big 3-bedroom, 2-bath. So that's the other nice thing. So this one has all been painted. There's a large entryway here, as you can see, all painted. Nice and clean. Put 2 oversized air conditioners in here, so summers are not going to be an issue. So there's your patio there, but you can see this is a dining room. It's got a kitchen, living room, new flooring in here, and you have a dishwasher, stove, and fridge stay. So those all stay. So again, this is a nice roomy 3-bedroom, 2-bath. The bedrooms are big too, and that's what I like. So we got, let's go upstairs here. There's another air conditioner here. It keeps the upstairs cool. So it's got 2 of these large air conditioners. They're commercial grade. They're nice. That's all you need. And here's one of the bathrooms here. Shower. But the bedrooms are exceptionally large. So this one is one of the other ones. This one here too. This is the biggest bedroom in here. I forgot to say. This one is. So they all have closets. They're nice. Here's the smallest one, but it's still good size. Oversized for sure. And then you've got a full basement in this property. So let me get this turned off. So let's go downstairs here. As I said, I want to keep all this going good. Nice entryway there. So you're not going to mess anything up when you walk in for the rainy days. 1-car garage. Let's go downstairs here. Oh, there's storage here too, I should mention. So you have a utility room and a coat closet. Let's go downstairs. One of the bathrooms are down here, but it's a full bath. So you can see here, this has all been painted and taken care of. And this is your second bathroom there. It has a shower. And this is your laundry room. And you have a newer heater in here. It's a Ream. It's all been serviced and taken care of. And there's your water heater. And there's your electrical box. So if you're wanting to get into a house over on the west side for really reasonable, give me a call. And this is your virtual tour. So please, this will not last long. Please come in and check it out. I think you'll like it. Oh yeah, glass block windows too. Have a great day. Thanks.